Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Isuzu key fob. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. This is a PH0. I'm also going to be using a small flat tip screwdriver, and I'm also going to be using a little pry bar. You just need something very thin. So first order of business, there's a little screw in the back here. You want to remove that little Phillips screw. Make sure you don't lose that. Now there's no place to pry here, so you just want to take something very slender and just pry right there. Now you have access to your battery, and this is where I'm going to use the flat tip. Pull out the dead 2032 battery, and the new battery is going to go in positive side facing up like that. Squeeze these two back together, replace your screw, and you're back in business. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.